So I'm out at the farm doing some work with my skid steer, and I have to put in some hydraulic fluid, which is technically, this is oil. And I was opening these things, and I was trying very carefully to, you know, peel the paper up with my fingers, and then there's a little plastic membrane, and that just was not working very well. So I got out my handy dandy pocket knife and thought, I'll use that. And I thought, I don't want to get my blade gunked up. I don't want to get oil on my knife, because I might use this for, I don't know, cutting the sandwich that I just ate in the truck, or picking a splinter out of my finger, or something like that. Well, you could wipe it on your pants. Well, I don't want to do that either. So while I was digging it out of my pocket, I was feeling for sharp little corners or something, and they do a really good job. There's nothing really sharp. And then I noticed these. Now those little knobs are used to pull the blade out, but it also works to overlap the edge of the lip and hit it just enough that I can easily open that little sealer, and my knife doesn't get gummed up. It didn't even tear through the paper all the way. Let's see if I can, well, that poked a hole, but I pushed. And this isn't overly substantial paper, and you can see that I fought trying to perform on camera and tore the paper a little bit, but that plastic membrane still held in place, and now I can pour it in, and I did not get my knife gummed up. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.
Too many hobbies, not enough time.
It's a theme song, y'all.